Money doesn't grow on trees, but it can grow in a big way within your own four walls. Your home can be one of the biggest financial resources simply by living in your home and keeping up with the basic maintenances a home requires. You have that chance to create and grow wealth in the years ahead. Hi, I'm Annette Marble with Key Realty. A recent Keeping Current Matters article said homes purchased in 2022 around $350,000 projected to be worth $439,000 by 2027. A projected $89,000 gain within 5 years just because you own a home and maintained it. What about a recession? I'm often asked a valid concern, so let's break it down. Let's pretend the big recession is about to hit. Your home may temporarily lose some value, but it will still, on your own home, you will still have a place to lie your head. And a beautiful thing about that is the history of a recession is they don't last forever. The day will come when prices will increase again. That day will come when you have the chance to sell your home for more than you bought it for, or you could refinance your home and use that money to pay off debt, renovate your home, or you can even sell your home for what you bought it for and be out nothing. In other words, a recession can take away value, but they don't take away assets. So don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait for your future self. Well, thank you. As always, we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.